Okay, Sachin is asking, sir, do weekly, monthly point of control of volume profile have any significance? Yes, it has. So you can see here, weekly, I don't like to plot weekly profiles because very simple reason is that the software will plot from Monday to Friday, all right? But the problem is that for Nifty, new series starts on Friday. For Bank Nifty, new series starts on Thursday. All right. So incorporating this is very difficult, or at least I haven't been able to figure it out. Monday to Fridays is very weird because most activity will be on Fridays and Thursdays on these respective indices. All right. And this software will plot it from Monday to Friday. So don't like that. When we come to monthly series, there also I would like to start a new series on the Friday of the last month, but we can, ignore 1 day, 1 2 day difference in the whole month's trading. So that at least we can manage. Coming back to this HVN thing. So this is a monthly profile, all right? This is one whole month's profile. And these HVNs are important. Definitely. There is no doubt about it. They will act as support and resistances. So if you look at this, and then when I say HVN, whenever you are studying volume profile, don't just blindly give importance to the widest part, right? So let's say in this case, this ends here and this goes a little further. So even though software might say that this is the HVN, it does not make this high volume node less important. It is also important. Sufficient volume was attached here, here also. So this is also important. This is also important. But like you have to exercise some judgment. Like if you're looking at these two HVNs and then you look at this and this, they are very little. They are not HVNs. Okay. All right. So you can see some time was spent here. Some HVN was created, and then we went lower. We came back and see where it is finding struggle. Now, you might ask why we did not struggle here. And the reason is very simple. So when we were coming down, we created this consolidation. Then we went higher. Then we created this consolidation. Then we went lower and we repaired this. So this was done. This is done. And then we continued lower and came back up. This is not going to create much problem. And this is the fresh HVN, which was not repaired. And we will, that is where the supply is going to come in. And that is what happened. We struggled here, we absorbed the supply, and then we broke out. All right. So you can go back in the past, just try to see how HVNs have proved important, not proved important, not provided support, not provided resistance, all those kinds of things. So here you can see this is an HVN. We come to it, immediate rejection. This is HVN that formed and went lower. Now HVN, you do not have to come exactly to that level. You can come in this overall broad range of high volume area, and you can also see resistance happening. So that is exactly what happened. So this is the way you can track this. So again, you can see this HVN form, this consolidation, we go lower, test, get rejected, form nice value here, and then this time we break through it. All right, we go higher, we break through this one also, and then we come back down. All right. So if we break an HVN, let's say this HVN is broken, the next target is this HVN. This HVN is broken, next visual reference is this high, that will be your target. So one reference at a time, and once a reference goes, we look at the next closest reference and we plan our trades based on the next closest reference. Yeah, so those are very important. Absolutely no doubt about it. Okay. And you can go back any amount of time, go back in the past, and you will try to observe whether those HVNs were important or not. Don't try to create a mechanical system out of it because it won't happen. All right. Sometimes, situations like these will occur. So now we did not come exactly at the HVN, we found support, right? So if you wait for this HVN to be tagged, it will never be tagged, and market might reverse and might leave you behind. So you have to be a little bit consider it as zones where you will give greater attention to the markets. All right. So let's say it comes closer to this HVN, you pay close attention to what is happening after we have visited this HVN. Okay. So we come close to this HVN, you pay close attention, because now like if we break this out, we are going towards this high. And that was the closest target. We went much beyond that, but that was the target. All right. So that is how you should look at markets and HVNs.